Hi, I'm Jessica Shalloe with FloodGate Medical, and I'm back to report all of the exciting buzz and highlight some of the emerging companies that I had a chance to capture at this year's Orthopedic Trauma Association that was here in FloodGate Medical's beautiful hometown, Tampa Bay, Florida. The conference, of course, showcased all of the latest and greatest hardware and devices, but what really stole the show is the use of artificial intelligence in the OR. The intimate conference featured about 100 exhibitors, but wasn't short of exciting new innovations and technologies that are changing the ortho trauma market and beyond. The first company I'm excited to highlight from the show is Exactech. They've been doing incredible work in the AI space since 1985, but their disruptive GPS system stole the show, and it was incredible to learn about their active navigation system and how it's enhancing the surgical experience by giving surgeons complete and total control. Their AI navigation system allows surgeons to obtain a 3D view of the anatomy and bone structure to help determine the most precise location for the implant. Also, a huge congrats to Exactech as they recently celebrated over 50,000 cases planned and navigated with their GPS system. Another emerging company that continues to impress and who we've talked about a lot before is MyoOne. MyoOne's state-of-the-art app assists in the early detection of compartment syndrome, and this is in time for effective intervention. This limb-threatening muscle condition occurs within 48 hours of a trauma, and it's currently diagnosed based on pain and unreliable outcomes. This leads to dangerous complications and possible amputation, and not to mention, it costs the U.S. healthcare system more than $2.2 billion annually. MyoOne is changing the game by capitalizing on muscular pressure monitoring by accessing it through an accurate, single-use device. It was great to catch up with them at the booth and learn about the recent clinical studies and observations that was saving limbs and improving lives today. There are numerous exciting companies and products to highlight from OTA, but the last company I'll discuss today is one that is addressing challenges that surgeons are commonly facing in the OR every day, and that company is BoneFoam. They are a world-leading company in the future of patient positioning in the OR with a growing list of surgical procedures and currently in over 7,000 hospitals. Focused on saving the surgeon time and money, BoneFoam is paving the way with a growing portfolio of cutting-edge solutions to patient positioning and rehabilitation. It was truly incredible to learn how these innovative technologies and products are the future of ortho trauma, and I couldn't be more excited to follow these advancements to see how they continue to improve patient outcomes. Let me know what you're most excited to see transform the ortho trauma space in the comments below.